Hi everyone, my name is Divya. My teach one topic is on query 2. There are totally 10 questions in query 2. Coming to first question, they asked for to display all the patient demographic information for every patient that is stored in the database. So for this, we need to retrieve all the patient demographics. First, we need to uh, upload our data into the SQL and then uh, retrieve all patients' demographic information, including first name, last name, date of birth, gender, and race by joining tables with relevant information. In second question, uh, they asked to show only the first name and last name and date of birth for all the patients. So we need to select patient information. Here we narrow down the information to show only the first name, last name, and date of birth for all the patients. In third question, to show the encounter ID number and only the first diagnosis code of every encounter. This query displays the encounter ID and the first diagnosis code of for every encounter, focusing on cases where the diagnosis code is sequenced as the primary diagnosis, as you can see here. Fourth question is to display a list of the patient's states without any duplicates that have a city called Dover. We list distinct states of patients who have a city called over in their records by eliminating duplicate entries. This is the first question where we need to list the patient's IDs and encounter admit dates for encounters where length of stay was 5 or more days. Here, this query provides patient IDs and admission dates for encounters where the length of stay was 5 days or more, and the patient was discharged with a specific code. Coming to the sixth question, here we show the patient ID, last name, first name, and date of birth for patients located in California. The results are sorted first by last name and then by birth date in reverse chronological order. In seventh question, in this question, we display all the encounter information where the length of stay falls between 1 to 3 months, remaining renaming columns for better results. And in eighth question, we need to list all the primary diagnosis codes from emergency department. This query lists primary diagnosis codes for visits admitted from the emergency department after specified date. Uh, that occurred after 3/25/2009. And in ninth question, it is about statistics for emergency department visits. We calculate the total count, average, minimum, and maximum length of stay for visits from emergency department, storing the results in temporary table. And in 10th question, by combining answers from questions 6 to 9 into a cohesive report that joins the patient information with the encounter information. It is a comprehensive patient encounter report. Finally, we combine information from previous queries. This query shows patient details, length of stay, diagnosis code for patients in California with specific conditions, and hospital stay lasting between 1 to 3 months. The results are sorted first by diagnosis code and then by birth date in reverse chronological order. Thank you.